Have you ever considered how secure your digital life really is? In our modern, hyper-connected world, cybersecurity is not just a luxury, but a necessity. From our personal emails to our banking information, our digital footprint is vast, and it's becoming increasingly attractive to cybercriminals. Every year, the number of cyber threats escalates, weaving an intricate web of danger that we can't afford to ignore. These threats don't just target large corporations or government agencies. They infiltrate our homes, our schools, our workplaces. They target us, the everyday individuals. The consequences of not having proper cybersecurity measures in place can be devastating. Imagine losing your life savings overnight, or having your identity stolen and used maliciously. This isn't just speculation. It's happening daily to people around the globe. With the rise in cyber threats, the need for effective cybersecurity policies, plans, and procedures has never been more critical. Remember the infamous Target data breach of 2013? A year that will forever be etched in the annals of cybersecurity missteps. This was no ordinary breach. It was a wake-up call, a clear indication of the catastrophic fallout that can occur in the absence of robust cybersecurity measures. The Target data breach was an incident where cybercriminals infiltrated Target's systems and compromised the credit and debit card information of a staggering 40 million customers. Yes, you heard it right, 40 million. The repercussions? A chilling reminder of what can go wrong when you underestimate the importance of stringent cybersecurity policies and procedures. But how did this happen? The breach was traced back to a phishing email sent to an HVAC vendor connected to Target's network. The cybercriminals were able to exploit this weak link, gain access to Target's network, and install malware on the point-of-sale systems. The malware then captured customer card information at the checkout counters in Target stores nationwide. Now let's take a moment to discuss the aftermath. The financial and reputational damage to Target was monumental. The company reported a whopping $200 million in expenses related to the breach. This included the cost of reissuing millions of cards, legal fees, and settlements. The breach also led to a significant dip in Target's stock price, and more importantly, it tarnished the company's reputation, leading to a loss of trust among its customer base. The breach was a stark reminder of the importance of having a comprehensive cybersecurity policy in place. It underscored the need for regular security audits, employee awareness training, and a well-planned incident response strategy. It highlighted the necessity of not just having security measures in place, but continually updating and testing them to keep up with the ever-evolving landscape of cyber threats. The Target data breach is a prime example of the catastrophic fallout that can occur without robust cybersecurity measures. It underscores the need for businesses to prioritize cybersecurity, not just as a technical concern, but as a crucial aspect of their overall risk management strategy. Because at the end of the day, a single weak link can lead to a chain of disastrous consequences. So what do we mean by policies, plans, and procedures in cybersecurity? Let's dive into that. In the realm of cybersecurity, policies, plans, and procedures form the backbone of a secure digital environment. They are the roadmaps that guide an organization on its journey towards a secure digital landscape. Firstly, policies. They set the stage by defining the what and why of cybersecurity. Policies establish the rules and guidelines that outline how an organization must protect its digital assets. They reflect the organization's commitment to cybersecurity and set the expectations for employee behavior regarding secure practices. Next up, plans. If policies are the what and why, then plans are the how. They provide a detailed strategy for implementing the policies. Plans lay down the steps necessary to protect digital assets, and they specify how to respond if a breach occurs. They're the blueprint for building and maintaining a secure digital environment. Last, but certainly not least, we have procedures. Procedures get into the nitty-gritty. They're the step-by-step instructions that put the plans into action. Procedures describe exactly how to perform tasks that ensure security, such as how to set up firewalls, install updates, and conduct regular system checks. They bring the plans to life and are crucial in maintaining operational security. These three elements, policies, plans, and procedures, intertwine to provide a comprehensive defense against cyber threats. Policies set the stage, plans provide the strategy, and procedures make it happen. And while they're all important individually, when they work together, they create a strong, cohesive cybersecurity framework. You see, these elements are not static, they're dynamic. They evolve with the ever-changing cybersecurity landscape, always adapting to new threats and technologies. This constant evolution helps organizations stay one step ahead of potential cyber threats. As we've seen, cybersecurity isn't just about having the latest technology, it's about having a comprehensive strategy that includes policies, plans, and procedures. Let's take a look at another high-profile case, the Sony Pictures hack in 2014. A cyber attack of a colossal scale, it led to the theft and leak of valuable intellectual property, including unreleased films, scripts, and personal data of employees. A nightmare for any organization, Sony Pictures was left dealing with the aftermath of this devastating event. What led to this catastrophic breach? It was a lack of comprehensive cybersecurity plans and procedures. Sony Pictures was ill-prepared to deal with such an event, and the consequences were dire. The hackers, who called themselves the Guardians of Peace, exploited vulnerabilities in Sony's security systems, gaining access to a vast amount of sensitive data. The aftermath was a period of great turmoil for Sony Pictures. The leak of unreleased films led to significant financial losses, and the exposure of personal data resulted in a loss of trust from employees and the public alike. Sony Pictures was left scrambling to contain the damage and restore its reputation. Could this have been avoided? Quite possibly. With proper cybersecurity measures in place, such as a robust intrusion detection system, regular security audits, and thorough employee training, Sony Pictures could have significantly reduced the risk of such a breach. It's a harsh lesson for all organizations to learn from. The Sony Pictures hack again highlights the importance of having comprehensive cybersecurity measures in place. In this digital age, the question isn't if you'll face a cyber attack, but when. Looking back, we delved into the crucial role of cybersecurity, discerned the impacts of the Target data breach and the Sony Pictures hack. We highlighted the significance of well-structured policies, plans, and procedures in fending off cyber threats. These incidents underline the dire need for robust cybersecurity measures. Remember, in the world of cybersecurity, preparation is key. Protect yourself and your digital assets by implementing robust cybersecurity measures.